Hi, welcome for our RTL Online Trainings and Placements. In the interviews, they'll be asking us, or not only the interviews, maybe when you are working in support projects, they'll ask us I created a couple of grades and all grades are visible in the Manage Grades tab. But when I try to define grade ladder, when I try to define the grade ladder, I'm not able to see my grades. I'm selecting my grade reference data set, whatever we have created VKC grade set and name of the grade ladder and all the grades whatever we have defined. First we have to verify here grade with steps. Okay, and I am searching for my grade here. I'm not able to see, no results found. So here the question is, when I'm creating a grade ladder, I'm not able to see the grades, whatever we have created. What could be the reason? What are the different reasons? So here, the intention from the interviewer is they just wanted to know how much practical strength you have on the application because you are working in Fusion HCM last 2 years or 4 years. Okay, multiple implementations and multiple support projects. So in the interview point of view, their expectation is you have a strong, skill set in this particular area, and you have all the scenarios experience. You have all the scenarios experience, different testing, because this is very much important for the support projects, especially when you are working in support projects. This is very important. So the first thing what we have to do is first answer what we have to tell is whatever the grades are defined, whatever the grades are defined are in active status or not. First, we have to verify. So let's come back to this. Let's come back to grade. So here we have to choose the grades, whatever the grades you have done are this in active status or not. Yes, active status. Next, second one is we have to verify the grade reference data set. Make sure that the grade reference data set and grade ladder, because you are creating grade ladder, both reference data set are same. Both are same. Maybe you created your grades in X RDS and you are trying to search for this grades in Y RDS grade ladder. Okay, that might be the another reason. Then the third one is, this is second one, and the third one is you need to verify the dates. You need to verify the date. This is very important, effective start date. From which date these grades are valid? This is valid from 24th November 2025. So the grades are created on 24th November 2025. Maybe you are creating grade ladder on 1st January 2025 or prior date, prior than this date. Obviously, you will not get your grades because these grades are, these grades are valid only from today. From today in the sense from 24th November 2025. So that we have to verify. So you need to cross check grades effective start date. Okay, effective start date. That we have to verify. Next, whatever the grades we have defined, is this grades are having steps or not? Yeah, it's having steps. Grade steps are there. Okay. While creating the grade ladder, if we look at here, whatever the three grades we have, all these three grades are having steps. We can see A, B, and C. So all are having steps. So obviously, when we are creating the grade ladder, system will ask you in the first stage itself, in the first stage here, it will ask you whatever the grades you are using here with your steps or without steps. So here we have to verify grade with steps or without steps. with steps or without steps. That we are going to have. Okay. So now let me see this. Right now I'm taking 1st January to 1951. Obviously you won't get, because your grades are valid from 24th November 2025. But you are selecting grade ladder is from 1st January 1951. So obviously you won't get. If you want to verify, you can verify. Let me choose our reference data set. Yeah, selecting grade with steps. And if I search, I don't get. See, no results found. Let's go back. I change the date. Let's say November 25th, 2025. Is it okay? Yeah, November 2025. Yeah. And if I choose grade also, we don't get here. See, now also I don't get. The reason is your grades having steps, but you said without step. Right. Now you have to change to grade with steps. Okay. Click next button. So now search. Now you will be able to see the grades. So here I have mentioned four possibilities. Four possibilities I have explained. So this is what actually expectation from the interviewer. Okay. So it means you created grades. Yeah. When I search grades page, I'm able to see the grades. But when I try to create grade ladder, now grades are not populated. What could be the reason? There might be multiple reasons. The first one is make sure that your grades are active, and make sure that the grades are on the same reference data set, and effective start date you have to verify, and grade with steps or without steps, that you have to verify. So in this scenario, the problem is the effective start date. So these are different things we are supposed to explain. When you want to explain these different scenarios, you should have a good practice. That's why I used to tell to our students, everybody, when they are learning, do multiple times. So, okay, we did global HR module. We are entering into the second module, payroll. Don't neglect global HR module. Let's do it again and do the practice and see different scenarios. When you get an error message, sit number of hours and try to get the result. Then it will improve your confidence level. Okay. Thank you. So this is one of the important question you will be getting in the interview point of view. Not only the grades, maybe positions, maybe departments, maybe locations. For example, when I'm trying to create a position, I'm not able to see what is the reason I'm not getting the location in the position field. What could be the reason? Okay. So this type of questions we will be expecting. So they expect the answer from here. These all are not real time. These all are not real time. These all are the basic thing only. But when you are able to give this multiple reasons which are valid, then it will be a good. Okay. At the same time, when you are explaining, don't tell the wrong answers. If you are not clear, don't tell that, because they feel that you are not confident. Maybe out of 4 points, you tell the 3 points perfect. That's fine. But don't tell the wrong point. Okay. So you are not getting the grades because of position issue. Where is the question of position when you are working with grade ladder? Right? No question. Right. So that's where you have to take care of it. Okay. Thank you.